One of the most frustrating and time-consuming things on any job site when you're installing flexible metallic conduit is attaching the connectors and the lock nuts you have to spin on inside the box. To solve this problem and speed installation, Garvin Industries now sells quick speed lock connectors. There's a spring steel provision that snaps right inside the knockout. You simply put the flexible metal conduit inside the connector, tighten down the screws, and then when you need to slip it inside of the box, you simply tilt it up inside and push down. Done. No need to tighten that lock nut. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.